回棍，回棍。Good morning, Iguan.
Why are you here?
It has been 2 semesters that we have become classmates. I haven't visited your room before, leh.
There's nothing special here.
God lah, your God lah. Wow, your room is a mess, man.
I know. I didn't have time to put things away, and I still have no idea you will come visit my house.
Look, are those your clothes on the couch? Are they clean?
Actually, all of them are dirty,
Eee.
and I haven't done laundry in a while. I usually wait until I can do it at my parents' house.
My sister and I usually go to the laundromat down the street. Why don't you go there?
多急呀
Anyway, are you ready to go?
Where to go?
Go for breakfast lah.
I
yo.
didn't wear my jacket yet.